And what are you asking Santa for Christmas?
Gumball and gumball machine and makeup.
Nice. Hey, it's Santa! Hey, Santa, Lauren, my daughter, she wants a gumball machine.
A gumball machine.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Maybe there's your gumball machine.
Yes! Yay!
Makeup and gumball machine? Well, what do you think of that?
You think you can make that happen? She has been good. But, oh, nice. There we go. Did you tell me about the gumball?
Now that's a real kid.
Oh, look who it is.
Here. What does that mean?
Look outside. So let's
Look
go.
outside.
Let's go. Let's go.
You can check the front door.
I'll take this up here.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get up for me.
I don't see anything.
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness! Put it right there, make it equipped with gumballs.
Oh my
Oh
god!
my God!
That's a real gumball machine.
Are you happy?
I'm so happy!
Oh my!
Wait! I'm gonna get one of these gumballs.
Wow!
There it is.
He didn't forget you.
That is great. Oh my goodness!
Oh my
The best present
That is
yet.
a nice gumball machine. That's not what I was
I
thinking.
can't believe this.